10 tailored private acting sessions, because every brain works slightly differently. Every artist has specific needs and goals, and every actor has his personal story. So whether you're just starting with your creative quest and you're still kind of searching for your artistic Polaris, or you're already an established name in the entertainment world and you're searching for a new input, for a new tool that you can insert into your toolbox, this course will give you everything you need to transform your performance into a remarkable performance. Starting from assembling an adequate portfolio, kind of understanding word handling and remarkable entertainment, over to better defining your acting style. So finally you start creating your own market instead of competing in someone else's market. 35 years of acting experience, whether that was on stage, in front of the camera, for features, for soap operas or ads, in one highly condensed acting course customized just for you. So you can start understanding, improving and marketing your acting craft in the most effective way and be ready to perform.